I'm Bob from Bob's Workshop. In this episode, I'm taking a Lionel boxcar from 1994, and I'm going to get rid of the original graphics because I want to make my own custom inkjet decals, and they will work better on a repainted shell that's just white and the roof color. So that's what you're going to see here today, the repainting of a cheap Lionel boxcar. Check it out.
While this boxcar could pass as new, it's not exactly collectible or even valuable. But it does have value to me because I plan to make it my next project. It's the perfect combination of an item that is in good shape, it was very cheap, and probably most of all, it has large flat sides, which are perfect for new decals. I like to use Tamiya masking tape for the areas that need extremely crisp lines to separate two or more colors. Blue painter's tape is fine though, for larger spaces. At first, I planned to keep the blue roof and the blue ends. But then I decided that a deep satin red might look better. It's also the color that I used on the roof of a caboose that I recently repainted. And now I have a plan to decorate this boxcar and the caboose with matching graphics. If you're just starting to customize any of your rolling stock, a boxcar can be a great first project. The sliding doors go back together pretty easily, and they're held in place with that black upper rail. Getting a crisp line between the colors isn't too bad either. There are a lot of straight edges and rectangular shapes that allow the tape to work pretty well. The base snaps easily back into the shell. All that's left now is to push the brake wheel into place, and that's it for reassembly. It's pretty easy. And I'm done at this point, except for the new decals, which I'll make and install during the next video. If you come back for that, you'll see this boxcar and the caboose together because they will be sharing a new theme to go with their new matching colors. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.